Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some chicken wings on the Traeger. Let's get this Traeger fired up. I'm going to show you how to get these wings crispy. Right now we're preheating the Traeger up to 350. And we're going to be using a blend of maple, cherry, and hickory pellets today. So here we got the barbecue prepping tray down. I'm going to open up these whole wing sections. And these were on sale. And I don't break them down. After you cook them and you're eating them anyway, you're going to break them apart that way. It's going to be much easier. But if you want to cut them into the different sections, drums and the flats, be my guest. And if you're on a diet, these are great too, because if you eat 6 of them, you get just as filled up as if you eat 12 the other way. So right now we're just drying all the wings off. And this is a key step if you want that crispy skin. Ideally, if you leave them uncovered on a cooling rack in the fridge overnight, that'd be ideal, but we're just going to dry them off with some paper towels today. I'm going to hit them with a little bit of this stuck fat. I love this stuff. You'll see me using it a lot in these videos. Just going to give it a quick little spritzing. We're going to come in with our first rub here. We're going to be using that Heath Riles garlic butter seasoning. I think this is going to go good too, because the spicy barbecue sauce that we're going to make, the wing sauce that we're going to add to it is a garlic butter flavor. So now we're going to come in with that Cosmo Q's hot dirty bird rub. And I like the flavor of these two blended together. So let's get them down in there. Now we're going to mix them up real good. Show you that in case you want to stop out and buy some. We're just going to mix these so they all have a good coating of both them rubs on there. And I almost forgot. We're going to be adding some baking powder to these wings too. Baking powder, it's alkaline, which means it's going to raise the pH level in the chicken skin. So in an alkaline environment, it promotes the breakdown of peptide bonds in the chicken skin proteins. It's going to lead to more crispiness when it's cooked. Also, it's going to help dry out the skin a little bit. We all know moisture is the enemy of crispiness, so it's going to help after we get that mixed in. It's going to let these sit in the fridge for a couple minutes while I finish letting the smoker come up to temperature. This is what they look like. So after you let them rest for about another 15-20 minutes in the fridge, it's time to get them on the smoker. So here we go. Like I said, we're running about 350 here. I know these are going to turn out good. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite place to get chicken wings is. After you make these, I guarantee these will be better. So we're just going to get our probe in one of these wings. We're looking for an internal temperature of around 175 degrees. Now let's get on to making that sauce. So right here, I just made a real basic barbecue sauce. Added some honey in there. Use what you got. Make your own. Like I said, I was walking around the store and I saw this buffalo wing sauce. Never tried it before, but we're going to give it a try today. It sounded pretty good. So we're just going to mix that in there. Steve and Ed's garlic buffalo wing sauce. So we'll see how that turns out. Here we're going to add some butter. Nice spoonful of butter in there. It's going to help when it melts down. It's going to help coat the wings real good. I'm going to add a little bit more of them seasonings too. That Heath Riles garlic butter. And that Cosmo Q's hot dirty bird. And if you like these videos we've been putting out, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. So here we are. We're just giving it a good mix in before we throw it on the smoker. These wings have been on about 20 minutes now. We're just going to give them an all nice flip. Here we go. We're going to go right on with that sauce. Get that on the smoker. And we went inside and we cleaned that prepping station out real good. So when you see me put the wings back in it, you don't want any cross-contamination. And here we are, about another half hour, 40 minutes went by. These wings came up to temperature. We're just going to get them right back in that tray. And you could eat the wings just like this. You know they're going to be good. They're going to fall right off the bone, but they're still going to have that crispy skin. So there we go. That's what they're looking like right now. But we're just going to get that sauce in there. We'll get that lid on there. You can give them a good shake. And I'll leave a link down in the description for these barbecue prep stations. They come in handy. So there we go. There's what the wings look like tossed in the sauce. I'll just give you a couple seconds, a little slow-mo action here. These wings turned out delicious. And that Ed and Steve's wing sauce added a real nice flavor to these. I will be buying it again. And as always, thanks for watching.
That's it.